After learning about the top 10 must-grow vegetables for your homestead, let's take a closer look at one of the most rewarding crops, cucumbers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, growing fresh, crisp cucumbers at home is easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through everything from choosing the right variety, implanting seeds, to caring for your plants, pruning for more fruit, and harvesting for the best taste. Whether you have a large garden, a small backyard, or even just a patio, you can enjoy a bountiful cucumber harvest with just a little effort. One, choosing the right cucumber variety. When choosing a cucumber variety for your garden, there are two main types to consider: vining cucumbers and bush cucumbers. Vining cucumbers grow on a trellis, produce more fruit, and are ideal for small gardens where vertical space can be used efficiently. Bush cucumbers, on the other hand, are more compact, do not require a trellis, and are well suited for pots or small spaces. Some of the best fresh-eating cucumber varieties include Marketmore 76, known for its thin skin, crisp texture, and excellent flavor; Straight 8, a classic variety that is easy to grow and high-yielding; Suyo Long, a long and sweet cucumber with a thin skin; and Burpless, which has a mild flavor, no bitterness, and is easier to digest. For those growing cucumbers in containers, bush varieties such as Bush Champion or Patio Snacker are excellent choices. Two, how to plant cucumber seeds. Cucumbers love warm weather and hate the cold. If you plant them too early, they will grow slowly or not at all. Direct sow in the garden 3 to 4 weeks after your last frost date, when nighttime temps are consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Start seeds indoors 4 weeks before transplanting outdoors for the best head start. Before planting, you can wrap the seeds in a damp paper towel for 2 to 3 days to encourage germination. Use seed trays or small pots filled with good quality potting soil. Plant 1 to 2 seeds per cell, 1 inch deep to 5 centimeters. Cover lightly with soil and water gently. Once seedlings sprout, keep the healthiest one and remove the weaker one. Before transplanting outdoors, harden off the plants by placing them outside for a few hours each day for 5 to 7 days. Three, caring for cucumber plants. Cucumbers need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Cucumbers are 95% water, so keep the soil evenly moist, not too dry, not waterlogged. Water deeply at the base of the plant to prevent fungal diseases. Use mulch, straw, leaves to keep moisture in and weeds out. Tip: don't let the soil dry out completely, then drench it. This can cause misshapen or bitter cucumbers. Growing cucumbers on a trellis or fence helps. Save space, improve airflow, and reduce disease. Make harvesting easier. If growing in a pot, use stakes or a small trellis for support. Add compost or organic fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks for healthy growth. When flowers appear, add a fertilizer with potassium K and phosphorus P to encourage fruit production. Four, how to prune cucumbers for more fruit. Pruning helps your cucumber plant focus energy on growing fruit instead of too many leaves. Remove side shoots, suckers. As the plant grows, you will notice small shoots emerging between the main stem and the leaves. Pinch them off to help the plant focus its energy on producing fruit. Trim old and lower leaves. These leaves are more prone to disease and can restrict airflow. Prune the top when the plant reaches the desired height. If the trellis has no more space for the plant to climb, cut the main growing tip to encourage the growth of more fruit-bearing side branches. Maintain a single main stem when growing on a trellis. This helps keep the plant organized and increases fruit production. Tip: if you are growing a bush cucumber variety, you don't need to prune much. Just remove any dead leaves. Five, harvesting cucumbers. Pick cucumbers when they are 6 to 9 inches long, 15 to 23 centimeters for the best taste. Don't let cucumbers turn yellow on the vine. This signals the plant to stop producing more fruit. Use scissors or pruners to cut the cucumbers off instead of pulling them. Storage tip: store fresh cucumbers in the crisper drawer of your fridge for up to 10 days. If slicing, keep them in an airtight container to stay crisp. Six, preventing pests and diseases. Cucumber beetles can destroy your plants and spread disease. Here's how to keep them away. Grow burpless cucumbers, which don't attract beetles. Use insect netting to protect young plants. Preventing powdery mildew and bacterial wilt. Water at the base, not on the leaves. Remove infected leaves immediately. Grow disease-resistant varieties like Marketmore 76 or Socrates. Seven, bonus tips for maximum cucumber yield. Succession plan. Start a second batch 2 to 3 weeks after the first to keep harvesting longer. Keep a garden journal to track what works best for next year. Replace underperforming plants mid-season to keep production going. Fresh, homegrown cucumbers are crisp, refreshing, and incredibly easy to grow. Whether you're using a raised bed, a backyard garden, or a patio pot, just give them warmth, water, and a little care, and you'll enjoy delicious cucumbers all summer long. Happy gardening and enjoy your fresh cucumbers. Now it's your turn. Would you like to learn how to grow another vegetable from seed to harvest? Let me know in the comments, and I'll create a step-by-step video showing you how to plant, care for, and harvest them the right way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.